It is making a mess.
Yeah.
We're having a streamer party.
Yep.
The girls got them out of the basket this morning, and Lily started unraveling them, and I decided, instead of getting mad, we were going to make it fun.
Yay!
Is it fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? Can you throw it, Lily? Uh-oh.
With them.
I think somebody was eating hers. Ooh, that was a good one, Gabby. Pick it up and throw it, Lily.
The blue one is like
Throw it.
blueberries. Yum!
Throw it, Lily. Throw it.
Green one's like green
Want Mommy's help?
strawberries.
Here, Mom will help you. Oh,
We're having fun. It made an X.
made an X? Yeah, it did. All right, let's try the blue one. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I hit the balloons. Oh.